And welcome to the correction video for problem 11. Again, this is another solve and check problem. Make sure you do both steps to get full credit. Now, when I look at this problem, I see fractions. That tends to be a very difficult type of problem to deal with. So I want to get rid of the fractions, and I'm going to do that by multiplying the entire equation by a common denominator. The common denominator is 16, not 8. Alright, so I'm going to show what I get when I distribute 16 to everything. I get 16 times each term. Now, 16 times x over 8, well, that's the same as 16 divided by 8, which is 2 times x, 2x. 16 times 5 is 80. And then 16 times 13 over 16, well, the 16s cancel out and you get just 13. Next step, add 80 to both sides. And I get 2x equal to 93. Divide both sides by 2. And you get x equals 46.5 or 46 and a half. I know some of you don't like having decimal or mixed number answers, but that's okay. That's not a bad number. The check is the tricky part here. You got to know or understand what you're dealing with. So, rewrite the original equation. X over 8 minus 5 equals 13 over 16. Oops. 13 over 16, not 16 over 13. Now, I substitute my value in. 46.5 over 8 minus 5 equals, now I'm going to turn 13 over 16 into a decimal, because this will make the next step much easier. So now I solve. So 46.5 over 8 is the same as 5.8125, and I'm going to subtract 5 from that, and I get 0.8125. And when I do this, I get 0.8125 equals 0.8125. Now, if you want to leave it as fractions, you could do that as well. And when you get to the end, you should have ended up with 13 over 16 equals 13 over 16. Same thing either way. Alright, I hope this makes sense. If it does not, this was one of the more challenging problems. Make sure you see your math teacher.